Here's another thing that I'll show you guys. Excuse the bike. The bike is dirty. You can see all the dust from it's just sitting here. I have to wash it when it's done. But anyway, I installed these lights here, right? And in order for to make these lights run the brakes, the running lights and turn signals, you know, these little modules that they sell. I guess I don't know how other people do it, but this is how I do it. I just went to Harbor Freight and wired in this box here. This is just like a utility trailer adapter or converter. I don't know exactly what you call it. Oh yeah, okay, it says it on the back. It says it's a electronic tail light converter, and you wire this in series or you wire this into the harness, and then after that you'll be able to use this, you know, each tail light will be able to run the running, the brake, and the turn signals. Just it's a, you know, this module is only I don't I'll look up the price and I'll post it in the video, but it's cheap. Instead of buying these other modules I see that the people they sell, you know, different places for a couple $100, you can save yourself some money with one of these. This works the same way and just as good. But here I've been wiring in these bullet LEDs. Swing around to the front. These here. This bike was damaged, so it had no lights, and a lot of the wiring was pulled out, I guess, in the accident that whoever had the bike had. So, you know, I have to splice in my own stuff and then solder this all up. But I just wanted to do a mechanical twist here on the wires to make sure everything works. And it works, but I'm getting a hyper flash. So what I have now going on, I have my jump box here connected to my battery. I did something stupid. When I got this bike a few years back, I bought a new battery, and just to make sure the bike ran, and it ran, and then I let it sit, and I didn't let the battery sit on a trickle charger, and I didn't even take it out of the bike. I just let it sit. So I spent like $100 and something for this brand new die-hard battery, and now it's completely dead. I can't even charge it or nothing. So I have to use my jump box to do all my little testing before I go out and buy another battery. So before I buy another one, I'm going to make sure this thing is up and running right, and make sure if the bike gonna sit, put it on a trickle charger like I have on these other bikes here. But I'll show y'all now. Hold on, let me turn this on first. Okay, and do this. And now you can see my turn signals. They work, but now you see how it's hyper flashing. I don't know if you can catch that on the back. You can see it has a hyper flash. I'll show you around in the front. Alright. So now I'm going to add the resistor, and you'll see it'll be normal. So now you see I put in this resistor module. These are the resistors here. That's wired into the Harbor Freight module. All this goes will go under the seat, and this little setup here will stop my hyper flash. This just simply plugs in to the wiring harness. You disconnect the wiring harness, from the main harness of the bike. This side is the main harness that goes down through the fuse box and connects even to the front turn signals. This side is connected to the rear setup of the lights. It goes through this Harbor Freight module that I installed since I wired this into the harness. So it's an easy hookup. It all fits under the seat. So with this installed, and you can see the resistors here, they get hot, sometimes, but not overly hot when you have the turn signals on. But with this setup here, you'll be able to hook up all your LED lights, will work with no problem. It's real cheap, $20 for this little wiring setup here with the resistors. And this from Harbor Freight is around $20 also, maybe even less. I have to verify on the price. But all this together, it's easy. It's a real easy hookup. It's under $50, and it will get rid of the hyper flash when you're hooking up LED lights on your bike, both front and back. And I'll show you. All right, so now I have my jump box hooked up, and let's try out the lights. All right, here's my left turn signal. See, no hyper flash. Hyper flash is gone. Let's go to the front. There you go. And I'll show you the other side. Hyper flash is gone. Here's the rear tail light. Let's go to the other side up front. And that's the front right. Okay, so see right now my running light is on, and let me see if somehow I can hold this camera and reach the brake so you can see that the brake lights and the turn signals will work. Let's see. Finger out the way. Here's my brakes. I don't know if you saw that. Do it again. Brakes. Now do my turn signals with the running light and the brakes. Other side with the brakes. So there you have it. Just showing y'all that with a little bit of know-how, it won't cost you a lot of money to get your bike together. I bought this bike from Copart. It was wrecked. I paid little or nothing for the bike. The bike is running. I just have a couple of more things to do, and this bike could be on the road. That's it. Until next time, y'all, I'm out.